There are many products available to choose laser levels, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best laser levels from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. HuPower 3D Green Beam Self-Leveling Laser with Case. This HuPower level provides 360-degree coverage, 2 horizontal beams and 1 vertical, at an impressively low price. You can also select any of these 3 beams individually or use them all at once, depending on the scope and needs of your project. An internal rechargeable Li-ion battery boasts a 6,600 mAh capacity and can continue to operate when plugged in for charging. In addition to the self-leveling feature, this level also has a manual mode, so you can position the laser in any orientation you like. The level mounts conveniently to metal objects in your workspace thanks to its L-shaped magnetic bracket, or if your project is best suited for a tripod or pole attachment, you can also use this level's mounting thread. The foam-lined storage case is another standout with this unit. Number 2. DeWalt DW088K Line Laser Level. Designed with maximum durability in mind, this robust laser level from DeWalt is tough enough to handle frequent use. The laser itself is recessed behind a protective rubber housing, which not only protects it from drops and falls, but also prevents it from accidental scratches or scuffs during normal use. In addition to the IP54 designation found on a few other models on our list, this model is the only one to boast a 1-meter drop rating. DeWalt's 3-year limited warranty has you covered if any issues arise. For even more protection, the entire unit is stored inside a hard-sided case for safe transport and storage. Its self-leveling laser flashes until it's in a level position, and the magnetic base allows the unit to pivot freely when mounted to a metal stud. Number 3. Bosch GTL 365-foot wall and floor covering laser. This angled Bosch level is specifically designed for tile application, ensuring accurate layouts on both the wall and floor. At the push of a button, you can select 0-, 45-, 90-, or 135-degree angles, and the raised projection isn't interrupted by uneven surfaces or other obstructions. Strong magnets on the base of the laser securely fasten the level to metal surfaces. The included steel positioning plate is especially convenient for wall mounting, and an offset pivot point in front of the unit allows for more accurate adjustments. The IP54 certification protects the internal components from water and dust, which can be especially pronounced when working with tile. Number 4. Bosch GLL 40-20G 40 feet green beam self-leveling laser. This Bosch model is a great all-around laser for those who need a reliable, high-quality tool that doesn't break the bank. It's also extremely simple to use. Simply push the control slider to the on position, and the crosshairs pop up on your wall. No other switches, buttons, or indicator lights to worry about. The included clamping tool is sturdy and, when combined with the self-leveling mechanism, positions the beam exactly where you want it. If you prefer to use your own tripod, the threaded mount is compatible with most models. The soft-sided storage pouch attaches to your tool belt using a Velcro loop. Plus, this model locks the internal pendulum when powered off, reducing the chances of damage to its components in transit. I've been using Bosch tools for years, and this laser level demonstrates their commitment to precision and overall build quality. Number 5. Skil Red Self-Leveling 50-foot laser level. While it carries a budget-friendly price, this Skil laser doesn't compromise on functionality. Its vertical and horizontal beams are self-leveling up to 4 degrees, which I personally tested several times on different surfaces. Unlike similarly priced levels that rely on replaceable batteries, this model uses an internal rechargeable battery. It's also surprisingly compact, and the cube-like shape is comfortable to hold, adjust, and mount to its clamp base. This clamp features a large mouth, and since the level itself has threads on both top and bottom, you can set up in a variety of positions. The clamp also features a rubber covering on the inside, making it more suitable for use on delicate surfaces that would otherwise get scratched or marred. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.